16.7 opening a file. Already I told you, before file operations are started, we have to declare the file pointer. File pointer, this is file is a special data type or data structure, and a file, it is a pointer FP should be created. Suppose if more than one file is there, FP1, FP2, FP2 file pointer. Okay. Now here file open function is there. File open function is meant for opening a file. So for opening a file, here two arguments we have to provide. The first one is file name. Second one is mode. In the next concept, I will explain you what are the modes. There are 6 modes. That mode we have to provide. File name, actually, as per DOS norms, maximum 8 characters you can use. 8 characters for file name. Dot extension 3. It is not compulsory, optional extension. So file name should be 1 to 8 characters, less than not more than 8 characters should be there. Extension is optional. By using extensional, people tell what is the nature of the file. So extension is very useful, but it is optional, it is not compulsory. Now here you see, just I will show you the example. File pointers we are declaring. Now 3 file pointers we are declaring. That's why then FP1, or otherwise without any confusion, FP2, FP3. 3 file pointers we are creating. Why? 3 files you are going to open. Now FP1 is equal to file open. We are getting a file, existing file open, that is biodata qualification. This is a file name. In this is the mode. Regarding modes, I will explain little later. And FP1. Next FP2. FP2, F file open. This is another file, and biodata PRS, personal data, and read R mode. Next FP3 file open, marks data, then we are not giving extension, then A. Here 2 strings we provide. One is file name in a string, it is enclosed by double quotes, and the other one is mode. Mode is represented by single character. So in this manner, one thing you must remember, this does not create a file. Already file should exist. Now we are opening that file, opening the existing file in write mode, opening the existing file in read mode, opening the existing file in append mode. So in this way, we have to open a file in a particular mode. And what are the functionalities of fopen function? Fopen function, whenever we call that, it searches for the file. It searches for the file in the disk. If file is not existing, suppose whatever file, suppose this file you want to use, and if file is not existing, then it returns null. So generally, whenever we perform file oriented operations, we first test whether that file is existing or not, and then we have to proceed. Then we have to write this is equal to null, this is equal to null, exit, program should exit. that means we should not continue in the program. So always whenever you perform file oriented operations, you have to test whether current whatever file you are expecting, that file is existing or not. You have to seek and then you have to proceed. And uh, here, whenever file is open, the file pointer, suppose this is the file, expected file pointer shows the first position. So these points you must remember regarding the opening of the file.